Alright, let's see if Jazzy likes her new toy.
Okay, let's take him out. Come here, little Jazzy. Okay, then we'll just move those aside.
Jazzy, your toy's over there. She was
Can
trying
you
to
say
bite it.
hi? Oh, do you like it? Okay, let's open up your fire truck.
See if you want to go
Pop
for a
her
ride.
in. Come here. Oh, it's okay, Jazzy. I got you. Okay. What if I put you up here? Do you like that? Okay, crawl down. Say hi. He's back here. Ready?
Go slow. Like, where am I going? Alright. Let her play with the doggy. The Dalmatian. What do you think?
Help me, somebody. He's pulling me.
Bring it back over this way, son. There you go.
Okay,
Yeah, what do you think?
what do you think?
So
Rate
wanna
it
ride the
out
fire
of
truck?
10. Out of 10, what do you think? Give us your best score.
There, let her ride on the front there, just like that. That's good.
Beep, beep.
I caught ya. There you go.
You're riding.
Alright, Jazzy. Say bye.
Bye,
Jazzy.
guys.
See you later.